Hey guys, we got a fun project here. We have a 2016 Hyundai Equus in for a multi-step paint correction and our best coating, Seaquartz Finest Reserve. We're going to start out here with our exterior decontamination wash. We're doing multi-steps of decontaminating the exterior, which involves foaming the vehicle, iron decon, clay decon, getting ready for polishing. Next, we're going to start with our rotary cut. This is going to finish down some of the swirls and the deeper scratches we have on the paint. Then we're moving into our other steps, which are going to be with the DA machine, which is polishing and then finishing polish to really get that shine. You'll see here in the next clip coming up, this is the before with how bad the paint was, and then watch what happens in the next clip. It almost completely clears up. There's going to be some minor scratches left that are deeper that are not going to be coming out. And then this is just our Seaquartz Finest Reserve application we got going on here. We're going to start applying this to the paint and trim. You'll see Josh doing that in the next clip. This part is relatively the most easy part of the process, I would say. And then we're also coating the glass. So we're doing all the exterior glass with a dedicated glass coating. So that's going to, it's like a Rain-X on steroids, sort of say. And then we also coat the wheels. So this is just Josh coating the wheel face. We're also going to pull the wheel and then coat the calipers as well. And then we also do an interior detail along with an engine bay detail. So here's the engine bay, and then here's a look at the interior wrapped up for you. And after the couple days we had the vehicle, it is all ready to go. Completely transformed. This vehicle looks back to new. It is a 2016. You can hardly tell. It's going to be very easy for the client to maintain this vehicle. Simple hand washes, no need to wax. Bugs are going to get removed very easily, and drying the car will be very easy as well, which will be cutting down his wash time almost in half. Now he can enjoy having a clean car year-round without having to worry about how hard it is to maintain it. It will be super easy with the ceramic coating.